I own a cold email agency and I scrape tens of thousands of leads every single day for me and my clients. And I'm going to show you in this video how you can scrape your own leads from Google Maps and actually, start sending cold emails on demand. Okay. So there are a few things that you're going to need. First thing is this Google Sheet, which I'm going to give you in the Discord below. There's the first link. Click on it. It'll be my Discord. You can have these resources. Okay. And you need the sheet. You need the Serper.dev. Okay, and this Google Maps end-to-end scraper. Okay, you also need end. I have another video walking over this, or just search on YouTube or anywhere how to set up N8N with railway.com, and it's gonna be easy. Within 5 minutes you'll have N8N. Okay, so what we need, this N8N workflow basically scrapes Google Maps and gets you the data. Okay, Serper.dev is the API key. We need an API key from it to actually scrape those leads. And this is a sheet where we need to actually, have states, if you're targeting the United States, have states and cities, input those in, and you'll get the output of all of the data, okay? And to extract emails, we're gonna use Appify and basically use this, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is open up Serper.dev and get 2,500 free queries and basically sign up, okay? So I'm gonna do it and I'll come back later once I do it. Okay, so what I need is an actual confirmation email from them. And in the meantime, while we are waiting for the confirmation email, we're gonna go into our Google Sheet, okay? Then go to the United States if you are targeting United States. And then we're gonna select which sort of state we wanna target, okay? So if you wanna, let's say, target only Georgia, we're gonna clear all, select Georgia, okay? Oops, did it wrong. Basically clear first, then select Georgia. I selected, okay, and now we have the whole state of Georgia with the most popular cities, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy everything right here, copy, and go into the inputs tab, and paste everything in, okay? As you can see, we have everything pasted in. Just add more cities, basically. So we have, just kind of start from again. Go ahead, paste it in, and we have cities in Georgia, okay? Now the niche. We wanna write in the niche you are targeting. If you are targeting remodeling companies, you write in the remodeling companies. If you're targeting hairdressers, you try that. If you're targeting med spas, you do that. Basically, just write in your list. For example, we just do remodeling company, okay? Remodeling company, niche, and copy all the way through, okay? We don't do anything in the blue column. We just want to leave it as is, okay? Now, what will happen, our scraper, which is scraping Google Maps, basically gonna take all of this info and it's gonna basically scrape the Google Maps, okay? So go into the annotate template, click on this get rows sheet node and select from list and choose your own, basically this whole Google Sheet, okay? Choose it, boom, and select input, okay? This is really important. Now click it and then you'll be able to save it, okay? Other thing you want to do is at the end, there's another Google Sheets node, which you want to do. Again, list of all cities, Serper.dev scraper, boom, you're going to select it, output, you're going to select output, okay? Basically leave everything as is right here. And if it's not there, you can stop this video and paste everything back in, okay? As you can see, everything is right here. Cool. Now, what you want to do is actually save everything. And now let's wait. Let's see if our confirmation email has come. All right, so we got an email. We clicked on the link that they verified the email, and we see this dashboard of Serper.dev. Okay. Now, what you want to do is go into API keys. Oh, sorry. Yeah, API keys, and copy this key. Okay. Then you can kind of leave this dashboard. You won't ever need it again, unless you want to go into billing and buy, I guess, more credits. Okay. But if you want to do it for free, you can just create new accounts, and I'm not advising you to do it just for my safety, okay? But if you want to, you could do it, right? Hopefully you get the hint. So just kind of copy this API key, go back into the N8N template, and what you want to do, into each single of these nodes, Serper places, go ahead, where there is name X API key, down below there is value, paste in the API key, okay? And do this with every single one of these, okay? Because these are like pages that are being scraped of Google, okay? Do this, go down and do it for all 5 of them, paste it in, and now save, okay? I'm just gonna go back over everything here. You wanna have everything selected as your main Google Sheet, then same right here, okay? And here you have all of the API keys pasted in, okay? So what you want to do next is you can kind of launch it, okay? If you have the niche ready and these are in blue and everything is set up correctly, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do execute workflow, and right here, as you can see, we have 50 items, 50 items, 50 items, and every single page is being scraped. This basically, this this step filters out bad leads. As you can see, we got 39 bad leads, which means that we got, you know, like bad websites that you cannot scrape emails from. Okay, and as you can see in our output, we have a bunch of leads coming in. Okay, like in seconds, we are getting hundreds of leads, and it's gonna be non-stop basically. Okay, and as you can see, there's one thing you kind of need to mention, that there is a lot of red color. Okay, the red color means if you have this sheet downloaded and open up in your Google Sheets, that means it's a lot of these are duplicates. Okay, because what happens with Google Maps scrapers, oftentimes you get duplicates. Okay, so to remove these duplicates, once you have, you know, all of the leads scraped basically, as you can see, it goes on and on and on, and it's gonna go for quite some time basically. You can see our also API keys are going down. This means that they're being used. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go up. Okay, we're gonna fully go up, select the whole column, click create a filter, click this. Okay, want to go sort by color, fill color, red, and then you're gonna select all of these red ones. Okay, sorry, not sort by color, but what you want to do is basically click filter by color. My bad. Filter by color, red, and you can see you have a bunch of duplicate ones, which is absolutely normal. That's what happens with Google. Then you're gonna select all of them and basically delete all of the rows. Okay, I'm not gonna do that now because I don't have all of my leads yet collected from Georgia. Okay, obviously you can add more cities. Okay, so I just got all of the leads from Georgia. As you can see, I got 2,000 remodeling companies. So what I'm gonna do, like I said earlier, I'm gonna go up, select the whole column, filter, click this, filter by color, filter red, select all of these, and didn't select all of them. Select all of these and delete select the rows. Cool, boom, and we have 1,400 leads that we can actually contact. Okay, now we have the numbers, right, which is cool, but best for cold email, we actually need the emails. So what we're gonna do, we can actually select the whole column again, copy, go into Appify. This is gonna be linked down below. I am not sponsored or anything like that, and you're gonna click this. I'm gonna click bulk edit and paste all of your URLs basically. Okay, you're gonna set that, boom, and you can see we have a bunch of URLs here. And what we're gonna do is gonna press start, and this way the API scraper, we're gonna basically take website emails and find them for you. Okay, usually it's gonna find like 40-50% of those emails, just depends how, you know, how lucky you are with scraping. And this way you have a bunch of emails. So what you want to do is actually validate them and then start sending cold emails. Okay, so this was the whole process. It's completely easy and really fast to do. All right, and if you're targeting the whole US, you can do it even faster. Okay, basically you can just copy that. What you want to do is just copy that and just make sure that you have enough API credits. Okay, these API credits, 2,500 API credits, is usually enough for like 500, 400 locations. Okay, so this way you're able to, you know, scrape a shit ton of leads. Okay, so I'm gonna link this whole template for you to download in my Discord server. It will be the first link down below in the description. You can click it, join the Discord, and shoot me a message that you're joined. That's cool. And there'll be a resources tab. Basically, click it, and you'll find this resource that you know, download this annotated template, as well as the Google Maps scraper. Sorry, the Google Maps Google Sheet, basically. Okay. So yeah, I appreciate you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Join the Discord, and I'll see you there. Okay. So yeah, hopefully I helped you, and you can close some clients from these leads. Right. Have an amazing day.